Lisa. Happy Friday. I have so many good things to show you, but I have a special emphasis on shoes this week, and I actually just ordered some more this morning. My focus for us is to find us some sexy, pretty, yet wearable shoes. It's gonna go kind of like all over the spectrum. Hold on just a second. I don't know if that bothers you guys being cracked back there. It kind of does me when I am editing, but you know how they are. As soon as a door is shut, they have to get in there. We're gonna have some, you know, like I've shown you, flip-flops. I just ordered something this morning that would look good with like sweatpants, because a lot of times I like wearing the thinner sweatpants with a bodysuit or a tank top in the summertime. I'm gonna do heels, we're gonna do everything. I'm gonna try to find things that are actually wearable. So I'm not gonna, with that said, I'm not gonna start with that yet because I wanna show you everything up here first. This is another Jessica Braun recommendation. I think it was in her favorites. Hollywood Superstar Glow Highlighter. The ultimate face and body highlighter for a soft focus glow. It is not one of those that is just dangerous or you have to watch how much you put on. I ordered one for one of you, and then I ordered myself one. And I like, it's kind of neat that it's in a silver case instead of the gold. It's just something different. And here it is, and I've actually got it on today. So you can see it does give you that glow, but it's not here. It's not, you'll see. And it like rubs right in. See how it does? It doesn't show like a color. It just shows that glow. But it does look really pretty like on your shoulders, and I really like it. So, and I think it's limited edition. So I love that, and I'm gonna give one of these away. Next Friday, I will choose a winner. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below. The next thing I just wanted to tell you about, I always like to tell you kind of like a hero product of the week. I forget most of the time, but this week, every time I used this, I thought I need to tell them how much I like this. It is the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. I really, really like the wand. I told you I like the ones that get smaller because you can kind of get in the center lashes, and I do feel like it kind of pushes your lashes up, doesn't transfer on my lower cheek area, and it's easy to get off. That is a big deal for me. Then this is something I got. It's the Nars Air Matte Lip Color in All Yours. It's a good color like I would wear. I think I saw In the Fro wearing this, but I mean, it's okay, but I think those NYX soft cream, you know, lips would be just as good. It just didn't wow me. It's not something that I feel comfortable to tell you to go get. I mean, it's like if you did get it, I can see if you like it, you know, I can see how people would love it. But to me, it just wasn't anything special. Okay, and then this is something that is really neat. It is the Suntegrity Mineral Sunscreen Lip Gloss, SPF 25. Man, one summer, I think, I don't know how many years ago it was a while. It was when we were staying at the beach, and one day I just decided I was going to put on some lip gloss. I don't know what I was thinking. It magnified the sun, and my lips got so burnt they were swollen this big the next day. And if I can find the picture, I know I've got it, but it's like way back there. If I can find the picture, I'll put it up here. Say it's hilarious, but really, they're big, and then when they go down, they peel. It's just not good. I was happy to be sent this Suntegrity Mineral Sunscreen Lip Gloss from Frisco Beauty. She sent me the two colors she thought I would like. Summer Fling is this one that is more of a cool, I think it's just, yeah, just like a cool pink. It's so pretty. You can see it. So I've got this on. And then this one. This is a tribute to us Bonnie Bell Vanilla Swirl Girls. This one is just as frosty and yummy. So this one is hard to wear on its own. So of course I had to make it complicated, and I just put this in the center. Lip liners I have on are I started out with L'Oreal Mastermind. I just blotted it and then I put Lancome Ideal over it because I like the combination of those two, and the Mastermind underneath it makes it just last like forever. And these are really nice. They come in all kinds of colors, including, you know, like some peachy and some bright colors. I might try like one dark or bright color for the beach. I'm happy to find those. You guys, Sassy is laying right here, and I just put that stuff up in the bathroom, and I thought, you know, maybe she's laying over there, maybe I'll shut the door. And so I just cracked it like it is now, and when I looked at her, she was looking over at the door, you know, like. So now let's head on to a little bit of clothes from this week. One of you told me about this, and I think I got an email that day, and I went ahead and ordered it. It is the Mason, I always want to say Mason Louise. I guess that's that fragrance I like, but it's the Mason Gray. This is the robe of all robes. I gave my mom one. She said the same thing. Even my dad liked it. It's all about this. There's just something about that banded sleeve. Even when I am wearing one of my other robes, either the Barefoot Dreams or the Skims, I hate the way, like even when I'm editing, when I go to do something, the robe will hit my mouse. Or when I'm in the kitchen, you know, doing our eggs or something, you know, I can't push up my sleeves to do the water and everything like that. Which, by the way, I thought of you guys this morning with my fingernails. You know, you were asking me, did they stay on when I wash dishes or anything? And I said, I don't wash a lot of dishes because I don't. But we use the pizza stone, the Pampered Chef pizza stone that we have had. I'll bet that pizza stone is 15 years old. I don't know. It's old. It's a good one. This morning I was cleaning it. You know how you just clean it with hot water, you don't put soap on it? And I was using my fingernail to, like, you know, nudge the stuff off or whatever. You're supposed to use the scraper. And so I do use my nails for some things, and they have hung on, so they're pretty good. This, I ordered the small. I love it. It is just the best robe. When, matter of fact, if it stays just a little bit warmer like it is now, I will probably start wearing these again and put my other ones up because no other robe compares. But Brooke and I went to Target. She met me there, I think it was Tuesday morning. And I have gotten where I don't really look at all the clothes because I don't want to spend a lot of money when I go in there. And I like their basics, but just like the fancy clothes and stuff I don't end up wearing. We were walking all through there. Brooke shops like that. I told her, next time you got to come with Nanny, my mom, because they like to walk up and down every aisle, touch everything, look at everything, and I'm kind of a drive-by shopper. I do not spend a long time in places. I found this shirt, and I just think it is so pretty. I mean, it is going to look so pretty on, and it's that look, it has pretty sleeves too. It's the silky type material, and I just think this would look so pretty, like even open over a white tank top with white jeans and some pretty little sandals. It would look good tucked into a black pencil skirt. It would look good left open over a bathing suit. Here, let me stand up, hold on. I just wanted to show you this. What size did I get? Small. So it's kind of oversized. It's just so pretty. And then the next thing I got there is just this little t-shirt. Responsible Style. It was $8. It might have even been less than that. It seems like it might have been $5 on sale or something like that. And I got the extra small, and I just told Brooke, I said, if this doesn't fit or it shrinks, I'll just give it to you. But I just like this kind of heathered gray, and it's a little bit darker, and I think this looks really good with like red, of course black, white, and V-neck tees are just really, for some reason, they're not my favorite, but I just like the way this looked, and it was cheap, so I thought I would pick it up and give it a try. And then today my outfit is inspired by Morgan Stewart. I have like about 10 people that if I don't know what I want to wear that day and I want to kind of dress up or be inspired, I will look them up according to how dressy I want to be or whatever. So that day, I think it was Monday or Tuesday, I happened to look up Morgan Stewart. I love the way she'll wear a little bit of casual, a little bit of dressy, and it's a little bit unexpected most of the time. So she had on this outfit, and I'll put it up here, with the gray sweatshirt, leopard pants, and then the Chanel slingback shoes. And I just loved it, and I thought this would be fun to recreate. So this week I shopped for this look, and I did a pretty good job, I think. Now, I had a hard time finding a sweatshirt that was just plain gray with nothing on it and no hood and not cut off. So I ended up picking up this sweatshirt from the men's department in Walmart, and they did not have little things on it. I washed it last night. They did not have the small. I think if I could have gotten the small, this would have really worked. But I got the medium, and here it is, just a plain, and it's not very thick, so it's perfect for like this transition time. And then this morning when I tried it on, I thought, I remember that I had this sweatshirt with the Bridget Bardot on it. This is an Anita Bing from Oliver, and I asked her if she still had any. Let me see if she texted me back. Yes, she does still have some. So then I went to, where did I go? I looked for leopard pants at Target. All they had was jeans, and just, I wanted a particular look. They had to be nice looking. Then I called Gap to see if they had any new printed pants come in, and they said no. Then I just, on a whim, stopped by Banana Republic, and they had one pair of these in size 4 on the sale rack. So I'm going to stand up and show you my outfit of the day, and then we'll get into the shoes. Okay, so here they are, and they are the Sloan design, which is just kind of a perfect straight type pant. They're made out of this, it's kind of like tapestry feeling, I would say, and they're just amazing. And they still have them on the website. I would say they're true to size, and this is actually considered a giraffe print, but I like it even better. And then I have the Chanel shoes that she was wearing, and so this is the look. And a lot of you aren't going to like it because it's kind of mixing up all these different looks, but that is why I do like it. But even if you just like the pants, the pants would look great with like a nude heel and a black tank top. You could definitely carry it, you know, more wearable. I also think these would look good with just a plain white t-shirt. I plan on wearing these a lot before it gets too hot. Just the plain, you know, slit pockets, and I love it. Guys, here we go. 4 pair of shoes that I love, 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 love. And I'm going to start off with these because you've already seen the black ones that I love so much. I ordered these and the rose gold ones. I mean, I think I'd ordered them by the time I showed you the black ones, but it said weather delays have taken them a long time, but I still like the black ones the best. Let me show you the black ones. Hold on. Here are the black. Amazing. Some of the best tennis shoes I've ever had. Here are the silver. What I like about both of them is that they don't have a lot of different colors. Like right here, they're still somewhat simple to be so fancy. And these still have the like elevated heel. They're still soft. They have like the terry cloth inside so that they're so comfortable to wear without socks, and it's the no tie. So I think these will look good with white sweatpants or jeans and a white t-shirt, or like a baby pink t-shirt and jeans and these. I just think these will be pretty. I might not wear them as much as the black ones, but we'll see. I just wanted to give them a try. And these I actually saw when I was searching for handbags. And I saw these on, I believe, either the Bloomingdale's or another website that was full price. And I happened to run across these on Nordstrom Rack. And they are so pretty. If I had to critique them at all, it might be that I would prefer a little bit of a skinnier heel, but this is really in style. The stacked, you know, block heel, and I just love the color. It is this nudie pink type color, and they are very, very comfortable. I walked around in them, and I just think the design is so pretty. Perfect for a pair of jeans, perfect for a flare pair of jeans where you need the extra height, perfect for a long sundress or maxi dress. I mean, perfect to wear with a denim dress. I mean, these would just go with so many things. And they're Kate Spade. I don't know if I said that. And I think they're really pretty, and I got them at a really good deal. Okay, I think I'm gonna save the best for last. These I kind of took a gamble or took a chance on. They are from Camuto, and I saw them maybe on Instagram or somewhere, and I just loved the way they looked. They come in, I believe, 3 different colors, and I know I said I don't usually care for the whole ballerina type strap, but these, oh my gosh, they just came yesterday. I put this one on and I walked around and I could not believe how comfortable they are. They remind me of the feeling of the Valentino wedge, where you have, it just gives you a lot of room in this like toe box, and it's kind of soft. It's not like that feeling of your feet being like this. It's more of a good, basic, sturdy feeling. And these, I don't know if it's because they're made out of this type fabric, but they stayed up. I didn't have to tie them so tight that they were killing my legs. And they just felt like they were going to stay up. Now we'll see, but I think they're worth a chance. And they're kind of bendy. I didn't feel like they're so stiff. They you know, have a rubbery sole, and I just think they're pretty. I actually love wearing a wedge like this with sweatpants. I love mixing that up. A white tank top with a white pair of sweatpants that are just straight leg or wide leg with these, perfect. A perfect little look. And then these would look so good with maxi dresses, denim dresses. Okay, this is it. Look what I found. The Crocs. These are not exactly like I used to wear, but they are so close. I don't know. They might be exactly. I'll have to ask Brooke if they're the exact ones. It seems like the ones I had didn't have separate straps. I can't remember, but these are it. These are the shoes that I used to wear every day. I had the gray and lavender ones, and then I had the black ones, and it seems like I might have even had the fuchsia ones, but I always wore the black ones the most, and they are just, they're Crocs. I mean, waterproof. You can scrub them with your dish soap, and they give you that heel, and it is not a clunky heel. So many of the wedge and heeled flip-flops are just, gosh, the band is real fat, or they're real clunky, or the heel isn't. I don't want just, you know, a big platform like this. I want the elevation. I want that feeling, and these are a little bit flippy, and they have the elastic right there. They're amazing. Take it from me. They're amazing, especially if you are a mom that is having to, you know, take your kids to dance, you know, all of that running around that you have to do, and you have to be somewhat comfortable and sure on your feet, but you want to look good, you know, you're around the other moms and everything. These were just perfect, and I think we will all love them. Even when Brooke saw them, she was like, I was on the phone with Tammy, and she was like giving me thumbs up that I had these. I really, really love these, and I encourage you to try them. They're just neat too. You'll see they're just kind of different looking, and you'll get like a lot of comments. They're definite conversation starters, and I always love that. Let's see. Oh, accessories. Okay, today I'm feeling kind of summertime. I brought out my everybody's favorite hoops from Sheila Fajl. I love these, especially for the summertime, and I wanted something kind of basic to wear for my ring, and I picked out the Dean Davidson. This is the Manhattan ring, and then my watch, and the same nails that I've had on from Red Aspen, and I will have everything linked down below. And I appreciate you watching, and I will see you real soon. Bye bye.